Welcome to the innovative world of E-Palli conferences, a platform where brilliant minds from across the globe come together to share ideas and ignite change. Our journey began with the successful first EIC in Malaysia, and now we're gearing up for the second EIC in Kathmandu, Nepal this April. This two-day event has two central themes. The first day will witness the first conference on EIC-STEM, exploring the world of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. On the second day, the focus shifts to the second conferences on EIC-BAS, highlighting arts and social sciences. But that's not all. Your work will reverberate beyond the conference halls, reaching a global audience through high-index journals within 60 days of publication. All participants will receive a comprehensive conference kit, and every papers will secure a DOI. The best presenter and paper will earn more than just applause. They will receive an award and certificate to commemorate their achievement. And of course, we've also catered for your cravings with a range of snacks, tea and lunch. E-Palli conferences, the place where ideas encounter opportunities and minds ignite change. Don't delay, submit your paper now.